Good day everyone, I'm Huiyu. In this video, I'll be showing you this Singapore 2007 4th Portrait Series $20 banknotes. But before I take a closer look at the banknotes, let's take a look at what the book can tell us. So for this Singapore 4th Portrait Series Polymer notes, $20 notes, the size of the notes is 149 mm times 72 mm, and the printer is MPA. Here are the prefix that are from this series. These are the available prefix for this $20. There's a prefix 0AA, 0AB, 0AC, 0AD, and there's uncut block of 3. There are 200 shade, uncut block of 24, 25 shade. Now a few things to take notes that these notes are issued because of this 40th anniversary currency interchangeability agreement, Commemorative. So unless you have the one with folder, it's just considered as a normal circulation notes. While it is just a normal circulation notes, it do have some value. Some collector do collect Singapore notes here in Malaysia, which is why I'm doing this video. So I will leave the book like this for those of you who want the check price. However, do take note that the price here is just a guidance. It does not reflect the current market price. Price may go up and down depending on situation. However, because it's in Sing dollar, you should expect it to be worth at least at the exchange rate. Now, if you need more time, you just need to pause the video. Now, let's take a look at the banknotes. This is how the front of the banknotes look like. If you need more time to enjoy it, you just need to pause the video and try to make it closer. Now let's take a look at the other side. Alright guys, if you like what I do, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you're watching at Steamit, don't forget the artwork, the post sharing it. If you watch it from any other source, don't forget to give it a like lah. And that's it for today. And goodbye everyone. Nice day.